How to install Windows 11 on Mac with M1 or M2 processor. In this video, I will show you how can you easily download Windows 11 on Mac device with M1 and M2 processor. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, first you need to head towards Microsoft's website and choose the version of Windows 11 which you want to download. Simply download the extension file and then after you need to head towards UTM application in your Mac device. Once you open the application, simply choose the option of create a new virtual machine. Once you click on the plus icon, you will see the option to choose your operating system. Simply choose Mac OS 12 Plus. After that, in the next windows, you need to choose the option of browse and click on next. While browsing and searching for the file which you want to set up, you need to choose the extension of Windows 11 which you just downloaded from the official website. After that, you will be able to set up Windows 11 in your Mac device. So that's it. That is how easily you can install Windows 11 in Mac device with M1 M2 processor. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.